Good afternoon, dear students and friends. In yesterday class, we have seen introduction of statistics and various definition of statistics. Now, today we are going to discuss introduction to the great statistician P.C.Mahalonobis and importance of statistics, and last scope of statistics in various fields. Dear students, the great statistician, the father of statistics, that is Prashant Chandra Mahalonobis, born dated 29th June 1893. The first Indian statistician, Professor Mahalonobis, is best remembered for the Mahalonobis discourse. He made pioneering study in the sampling theory and method. He founded Indian Statistical Institute, that is ISA, at Calcutta in 1931. His contributions are design of large-scale sampling survey of consumer expenditure, tea drinking habits, estimation of crop yield. The great contributions are in these fields. As a member of Planning Commission in the second 5-year plan, he employed a model of rapid industrialization of India. He established NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization, in 1950, and he helped in setting up the CSO, that is Central Statistical Organization. These two are the very important government NGOs, that is NSSO and CSO. After that, the P.C.Mahalonobis starting formal teaching of statistics in Indian universities is due to him. He was Fellow of Royal Society London. He was President of Indian Science Congress Association. Also, he was Fellow of Royal Statistical Society UK and Fellow of American Statistical Association. And he was received the highest national honor, that is Padma Vibhushan, in 1968. His birth anniversary, 29th June, is celebrated as National Statistics Day for overall India, all universities, colleges, and so on. P.V. Sukatme, Pandurang Vasudev Sukatme, he is one of the famous statistician from Maharashtra. C.R. Rao, Kadampodi Radhakrishnan Rao, he is also one of the great statistician in optimization technique, that is operation research. Also, S.N. Roy, V.S. Sukatme, he is also Maharashtra in Sangli. These are also the Indian statistician, have also notable contribution to the development of statistics in various fields. Dear students, as per the syllabus for B.Sc first year and B.Com, the next topic, that is The importance of statistics. The detailed study of what is meant by statistics, what is the meaning of statistics, the contributions of statisticians. Then after the most important topic, that is importance of statistics. Statistics is important from the following viewpoints. It helps in planning, controlling, and most important, decision making. Statistics help estimation. Prediction is also possible using statistical tools. Statistics, it gives the method of comparison of the data. To study the various technique of comparative study, it gives the comparison of the data. Also, it facilitates several functions apart from the summarization. Statistics help in presenting large quantity of data in a sample and classified form. And interrelation between two or more variables can be measured using the statistical technique. Statistics is a very important role in the field, number of field like railway, banking, army, and so on. These are the importance of statistics in various approach. Now, next topic, scope of statistics. The scope of statistics or the use of statistics is indispensable in the field of industry, medical sciences, social sciences, management sciences, agriculture, insurance, information technology, education, psychology, and so on. The tools and techniques given by statistical method are used in almost all fields at several phases because of applications of statistics are exhausted list of field in the difficult to prepare. The first one, industry. In many industries, statistical quality control, that is SQC, statistical quality control division is separately operating, mainly whether manufactured good possesses or desirable standard or not in examining using various control chart, that is C chart, U chart. There are various charts in sampling industrial statistics. These inspections are done at the time of production, and online process capability study is conducted to the setup the machine to give the desired standard. Nowadays of ISO 9000 make use to statistics to a large extent, and there are various statistical tools like multiple regression plane are used for forecasting when several factors are interlinked. Efficiency measurement, index number of production, work sampling. These all tools are very much useful for the administration and planning department. After industry, then we can go the medical sciences. The scope of medical sciences in the field of medical sciences, statistical methods are used to test various claims such as does smoking increases the possibility of prognosis of the cancer, or is there any correlation between age and blood pressure, or another, is a particular vaccine used in controlling a particular disease, or whether growth of a baby is normal. These all aspects does the statistics help in every response in the field of medical sciences. Okay. Now, third one, that is social sciences. In social sciences, research in social sciences need questionnaire, like social questionnaire to prepare the questionnaire of farmer society. Further, analysis is required to be done using statistical tools. In social sciences, we need to test association between two variables such as education and criminality. There is a correlation between education and criminality. Or next, to find out education and marriage adjustment score. Sex and education, richness and criminality, these are the uses in social sciences. Then most important, the management sciences, that is fourth number, management sciences. In management sciences, the various statistical tools used in management sciences. The most of the managerial function make use to statistics for efficient working various sections of management such as sales, production, marketing. Statistical methods are used. Different statistical tools such as forecasting, test of significance, index number, time series analysis is one of the important tools. Statistical quality control also used in management science. Estimation of statistical quality control estimation play vital role in management activity. Apart from this, various optimization technique known as linear programming problem, transportation technique, assignment problem, sequencing problem, networking problem, that is critical path method, and project evaluation and review technique, replacement problem, inventory control are also useful in management sciences. Next, that is agriculture and insurance. In agriculture, analysis of agriculture experiment make heavy use of statistic method known as design of experiment. The main advantages of this statistical technique is used